We're back and welcome. This is our third live project coming to you from Blarney. Behind us, we've got this detached house. Upstairs is under renovation, downstairs is under renovation, but it's all worthwhile. And we're under construction. Our new floor slab is in, our steel is in place and is giving us the shape of our new building. Overhead, our roof is in place, but it's this window has the best view in Blarney. The views just speak for themselves, and it's right here is where we're going to allocate our new dining. In front of me, this space, again capturing the views, is where we've got our TV, and everything in this location, all the space has been allocated to our new kitchen. Overhead, we've made a small sacrifice for a bedroom, but for a bigger cause. We've now got a big spacious master bedroom and a walk-in wardrobe, and to finish it off, we've got this most beautifully tiled ensuite. It's all go, and for Sigma Homes, come the 11th of October, it's going to be time for another handover.